Hi everyone, welcome back to another mukbang. Today I'm back with McDonald's. It's been so long, but I thought it was about time because recently I've been just thinking about cheeseburger. I don't know why. I'm like, after golf, after workout, after anything, I'm just craving cheeseburger. I think I'm kind of like, I don't want to take it for granted, but I am kind of getting sick of home cooked meals and Korean meals, so maybe that's why I'm like seeking for like cheeseburger, pasta, more American food. So I thought, let's make a mukbang out of it and get more than enough. So maybe I won't crave it anymore. I have 2 Big Mac fries. I have jalapeno nacho cheese. I have some pickled jalapenos and pickles. Yum. And for drink, I finally have sparkling water. So ever since I started drinking my water with the syrup, I feel like I've been using the bathroom better. I don't know if it's in my head. I don't know if it's scientifically true, if it helps your bowel movement. And I'm sorry, I'm talking about bowel movements in my mukbang video, but that's why I like can't stop. And I can't wait to try a different flavor. Wow, this is so good with sparkling water. Okay. So good. Okay. Look at that. I always wanted to try this. Mmm. I definitely think this meal is gonna do the trick. I don't think I'll crave this after today. Oh, that's so salty. I remember when I first filmed McDonald's mukbang, I saw so many comments saying, oh, so many comments wondering why I eat one fry at a time. They're like, nobody eats one fry at a time. Only because I'm filming mukbang, I'm trying to do at least 2 fry. But typically I take 1. I think it tastes better that way. So there's a little trick that I learned about myself. I don't know if it's like a known thing where everybody knows this trick, but when I want to eat a lot, I don't get up. I sit, I don't get up, because once I get up, go to the bathroom, get a drink, and come back, I'm full. I don't want to eat anything anymore. But right now, I can't really feel, I'm getting there, but I don't really feel stuffed. That's why I think I'm able to finish this. But let's say like, oh, I have to go get more water, more ice. This cheese is not hot enough. I get up, come back, I can't eat this anymore. So I think that's a little trick that I have.